Well, a day after the family of slain Babita Deokaran marked a year of her passing, the men accused of killing her are expected to appear in court. The case of the 6 accused has been transferred to the High Court in Johannesburg. Deokaran lifted the lid on corruption within Gauteng's health department, and eNCA's Heidi Giokos is following the case for us. She joins us now this morning to give us an update of what to expect in court. Heidi, good morning to you. Now, we understand that the 6 accused are expected in court. What do you foresee happening? What's the agenda of court proceedings today?
Yes, so the matter has been moved to the South Gauteng High Court, and this is a significant move because this means that this is the next step for a possible trial to begin. What is possibly expected today is pre-trial, so the state prosecutor together with the defence legal team will discuss on possible dates on when the trial will commence, unless there are any other issues that need to be addressed or raised before trial does commence. We do know that the 6 accused are, of course, still in custody. They have not been granted bail given the charges that they are currently facing. So today will just be pre-trial and basically just getting logistics out of the way. But I must just add, Tumelo, that this is a very important case to proceed and for trial to commence. And the reason for this is because the family is desperate for answers. As much as the hitmen have been arrested, the 6 that are currently in custody, the family wants answers as to who is behind the killing of Babita Deokaran. She lifted the lid on massive corruption that was happening within Gauteng Health, specifically to Tembisa Hospital. We do know that News 24 did extensive investigations into what really Babita Deokaran was investigating. Tenders that amounted to millions of rands at the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic, where money that was supposed to be moved and allocated to possibly buying ventilators and dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic was used for things unimaginable, such as skinny jeans for 5 to 12-year-olds and really expensive leather chairs for Tembisa Hospital that apparently is nowhere to be seen at the moment. So as much as the family is happy that the hitmen have been arrested and are going to be facing trial, they want further answers as to who exactly was behind this. And they do not want Babita Deokaran to have been murdered and shot in the way that she was 12 times. They don't want that to be in vain. They actually want something to come out of this and there to be further protection for other whistleblowers who lift the lid on corruption.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the criticism around why hasn't the mastermind being found, Heidi, it goes from every corner of society, everyone wanting to know who is behind the killing of Babita Deokaran, but also placing the spotlight once again on whistleblowers, whether or not they can now courageously come out with any incriminating information, if they have or not, or they have been instilled with fear that they should rather not, if they find themselves in the same position where Babita was, of course, when she was still alive, trying to expose the corruption. But, colleague, we'll have to leave it there for now. We'll be sure to catch up with Heidi Giokos as soon as, of course, there are other developments coming from court. We understand, of course, that the 6 accused stand, of course, to appear in court this morning. But